everybody, today I'm going to do a tutorial on a 3x3. So a while back, to my previous tutorial, I am making a second version of it. I said I will make a 3x3 tutorial, this week. So I'm gonna start out. So first you want to scroll it up. And first you want to make a white cross. Something like this. And you could have it like this. This is not a white cross because the edges are not matching on all of the colors, and you need them matching on all of the colors. So you have this. Next, what you want to do is have the corners. So if you have if you put a corner, turn the upper face until it's over where it needs to be. See, there's orange and green, and you want to do this algorithm. RU, R prime, U prime, RU, R prime, U prime, RU, R prime, U prime. And so that and then as much until it's facing the white here, and then it's also in the slots. I'm gonna do that to the rest. RU, R prime, U prime, 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 RU, R prime, U prime. And then until you get the first two layers. And with the first layer, sorry. Next you want to do the first two layers. So what we're gonna do to insert this edge, so we're gonna insert it into the left right here. So you do this algorithm. So you do U, you do a U, U prime, so you make sure it's facing in here. U prime, L prime, U, L, U prime, U, and then you do an F, U, then you do an F prime, and then you just want to do that. But if you need it to go to the right, like this, you do this algorithm. U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R. Actually, no, it's F, U. Once you get to the top layer, you do, so you just keep on doing this algorithm. This is part technically intuitive, but at least you have yellow on the top. Yellow center is the yellow side. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You could have to do that once. You could have to do it twice. Or 3 times. And then after that, look for if the sides are matching. If they're not like this, you're gonna have to do this step, but if it's like this, where they're all matching, you can skip the step. Okay, so the next part is the corners. You're just gonna solve the corners. We're gonna do this algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Just keep on doing that. And make sure you need to do that twice, but you need at least one corner solved. If you just do that once and then they're in the white slot, you don't need to do this, but find one and make sure it's on your right. like this. Like it's on the right side. Actually, here the right side of you. And not on the left. Not like this. Like this. And then you do again. U R U prime R prime. Actually, L prime U L prime U prime L. And then you put out, and then after that you're gonna have all the coinage solved. Now, if this is just a disclaimer, if you have the full top layer solved, you can skip this step, but let's just get on to the next part. Okay, so next, to orient them, let's say you're gonna have like a random whatever case, but you just do this algorithm and make sure yellow's in front of you and don't like, and you do F. So like it's like U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R U prime R until you get this. But after that, instead of turning the cube like this, you turn the cube like this, and then you do the algorithm again. U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R, and then you again on F or F prime, whatever. U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R, and then next U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R, and then so yeah, so just, and then you'd have the whole like yeah, have it fully solved. Well, technically that was an impossible case. Let me just fix this for a sec. Okay, do not twist the corners, but it does work. Just a disclaimer, I do not use this method. There are other methods out there. I use CFOP. Definitely check out other tutorials. So if this video really helped you, definitely, don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Happy cubing.